Alright, so we're soon telling you we're down here so we can get fish because we're in Rae Town. Hold on. Driver say him see Ratty. The driver say him see Ratty. Me no see nobody. Driver look like him no Ratty igloo. Yeah. From a distance. Let us see. Alright, we're on the green. Get quickly across the street. Alright. Okay, right. So we can get fish in our Rae Town today. Yeah. This is Ratty.
Oh, you're on the way to Alright, yeah, man, because I got you to do a live streaming for the past just a couple of days and no sign of Ratty. So we
come out here yesterday morning. Yes.
Yeah, man. Everybody yes. So now I know Ratty the button now, so I know Ratty.
You want company camera Ratty?
Show the Ratty glue.
Yeah.
Show the Ratty glue. Ratty, you don't know what? If nobody not ready, Ratty ready. You have fish, Ratty? Yeah. Ratty have fish.
Alright, so we're telling so we're not gonna tell him whether or not we can get fish. Ratty there and Ratty have fish, alright? So look. Just in case they run out, move the ice to Ratty and show them. Fresh parrot, blue parrot, pink parrot. Every parrot Ratty have.
Alright.
Let us look again. Alright. Turbot, snapper.
You know fish?
Yeah man, I know fish.
I have bigger than them.
And them have bigger than this. See? Alright. So Ratty alone we stay out here ourselves fishing. So no come in. And if you don't want okra, to go with the fish, okra, if you don't want coconut rundown fish, dry coconut there and seasoning, alright? If you come in, Ratty? Alright. Alright, so Ratty will show you some more fish. Woo! Man! I would have eaten one of them snapper and no, although I don't think I could have actually finished it. It's about 2 pounds.
Yeah, 1 pound and a half.
Pound and a half, yeah. Aye, them may look good. Alright, Ratty.
Number upon the wall, man.
Number upon the wall. Soon tell them the number. Alright. Hey, listen to me. We don't have to worry if the ATM them now work because Ratty take card. Here you go. Alright, what the phone number there? 477-6230. Alright. And just in case you want to know the official name, it is Maxine and Son Enterprise. Alright, and this is Rae Town. So if you want to know forget fish today, come down to Rae Town. Ratty is live and direct. Open if you want a 2 pound fish to go steam down or roast. It is here, live and direct from Rae Town. Alright. So